Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, pets, snacks, jewelry, lifestyle. We do it all. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you to join our YouTube family. And y'all don't forget, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm so excited because as you can see, we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar. This is the May 2020 box. So before we get into it and we see what all we got, I'm gonna go over it since it is brand new to our channel and give you all the details. So like I said, this is the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar. They do also have their lifestyle box, which is amazing. It is one of my favorites. But with this, you will receive 5 to 6 deluxe and full-size beauty products every month. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Now it is $31.95 a month. It does have free shipping, and you can save if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. I believe you can get it as low as like $28.95 a month. But what is going to be in here is clean beauty, non-toxic skincare, makeup. Everything is going to be vegan and cruelty-free, which I love. It is curated. There's a curated monthly theme to enhance your beauty routine, makeup, skincare, beauty tools, and more. And one thing I love about Bombay Cedar, this also goes with their lifestyle box as well, but they partner with 1% for the planet. They donate 1% of their annual profits to help those working towards a healthier planet, and I love that. So, like I said, I will put a link down below. Definitely head over and check them out. This is a newer subscription in general. I believe the first box was in March. They've only had the Beauty Box for a few months, but Bombay Cedar knows what they're doing, so I have no doubt this is going to be amazing. Again, this is the May 2020 Bombay Cedar Beauty Box. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. Says hello when you open it. I love the colors. Live a life inspired. I love that. There's a card here on top, so let's take a look at that. May 2020, the Beauty Box by Bombay Cedar. It's just so pretty. Rise and shine, essentials for your morning beauty routine. Now, they go over the products, they give pricing and a little bit of information about each product, which I appreciate. So we're gonna just dive in. It looks like everything is in, that's interesting, I like that. So it's all tied up neatly in here. So let's just get started. We'll get this bag open, this drawstring bag, and we will pull everything out. All right, so I've got everything out of the bag. Set that to the side. All right, so let's see. We have our first item here. This is Swift Eyeshadow by RMS Beauty. Formulated for those who prefer powder instead of cream eyeshadows. RMS Beauty Swift shadows are designed for quick and easy application. Mixed with the industry's best mineral pigment colors, wild-crafted Baruti oil and organic jojoba oil, Swift shadows will not dry out the lid like traditional formulas, and this is a $20 value. So let's see. We got Garden Rose is the shade that we got, so let's take a look. So there is the actual packaging. Oh, that is so pretty. And that honestly, you guys, that would also, because it does have a little bit of a sheen, would be a gorgeous blush in the fall. I love fall, so my mind goes like fall when I see anything. I think that is so pretty. Oh, I love it. All right, so let's put this back in here. All right, and then we have got, this is from R&Co. Huh, this is interesting. I like the packaging. But this is the Magic Wand Brow Gel, a tack-free brow gel that tames and conditions. Cast an all-day spell with Magic Wand, a tack-free brow gel that tames and conditions while keeping your brows in place. Long-lasting with no flakiness for a groomed, thickened look. $20 value. So this is the actual product. I'm assuming it's clear. Yeah. So, I love R&Co products. Honestly, I didn't know that R&Co made anything other than hair products, which I guess in a way, I mean, eyebrows are hair. So there is that guy. All right, and then we have number 3, which looks like it could have actually been a variation. You could have gotten the iconic Anti-Wrinkle Facial Massager from Almost Famous, or the Perfect Eyebrow Trimmer by Almost Famous, and I got the Perfect Brow. So this is what it looks like. You can see it in there. Designed to remove your eyebrow hair painlessly, this trimmer features a travel-friendly shape and LED light to shape and define your eyebrows. This is a $25 value. I actually have one of these and they are amazing. I'm not gonna open this one and take it out of the box, but I will show you right here. You can see it does have like a tapered end, so you can really get up in there. All right, and number 4 is Hair Rinse Tea by Glamour. Herbal hair rinses provide deep cleansing, soothes irritation, provides dandruff, and helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. This blend of specially selected organic herbs and botanicals will help soothe the irritated and inflamed scalp. Using stinging nettle is one of the oldest traditions for combating hair loss. $14 value. Interesting. Paraben-free. It's for all skin types, non-toxic, non-GMO, and obviously everything in this box is vegan and cruelty-free. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to item number 5, which again looks like it could have been a variation of 3 different products. You could have gotten the Primetime Face Polish, you could have gotten the Daydreamer Face Wash, or Hyaluronic Lip or Eye Mask. And we got the Primetime Facial Polish, fruity facial scrub that primes skin for skincare and makeup. This is $36. So here is what it looks like. So it's going to be a facial exfoliant, which I am all about. And then we have one more product, and this again could have been a variation. Could have received the Lipso Gloss, a lipstick or lip gloss by Cali Cosmetics, or the Lip Slip or Luxe Gloss by Sarah Happ. We got from Cali Cosmetics, we got a lipstick. So here it is, and it's a natural color wave lipstick, and it's got probiotics. Oh, I like that. Watermelon, pineapple, hibiscus, jasmine, mango, and papaya. Oh, nourishing, hydrating, head turning. And we got the shade Chocolate Martini. Reapply after excessive smooching. I'm a little concerned, not concerned, but I'm a little like, ooh, chocolate martini. Let's get it open. But let's see. The packaging is cute. I love the little hibiscus. Oh, wow, yeah. That's definitely like, that's a dark color. Chocolate martini is definitely the best way to describe that one. But it is gorgeous. So that, you guys, is the May 2020 beauty box from Bombay and Cedar. The total value could have been between $111 and $138. I'll make sure to put down below right here the total value of my box. Let me know what you guys think. Do you get this box? Do you get the lifestyle box? Are you thinking of getting this? I think it's an amazing box. I love the idea of having a beauty box that is vegan and cruelty-free with all of their products, and that also gives you some sort of tool. I think that that's just I mean, we got a good variety. We got a mix of skincare, makeup, and then again, an actual tool, a product to use. I like this, so that's my thought. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know again your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.